Unfold makes social media easier by giving creators the tools they need to stand out, grow their audience, and monetize their social presence. Create and edit beautiful social content with hundreds of award-winning templates, visually plan your Instagram feed across multiple accounts, and create a unique link in bio page with bio sites. Along the top of the home screen of your Unfold app, you will see options for stories, posts, and studio. These options help keep your social content organized so that you can find what you're looking for quickly. Clicking into the Projects panel will show all of your existing projects. To create a project, select the plus icon at the bottom of your home screen and choose Create Story or Create Post. Here, you can explore all of your templates, import photos and videos, add text, emojis, music, colors, and more. When you're done with your project, you can export it to your device or share it straight to your social media channels. Go to the Plan tab to lay out your social media strategy for posting on Instagram. Schedule posts or create reminders to save time. Use our grid feature, placeholders, or the color mapping tools to get the most out of your planning. Lastly, you can visit the Bio Sites tab to create your own customized link in bio page to host links to your social media accounts, websites, or fundraisers. Select one of the bio site templates and then add a profile picture, banner image, name, description, and links. Once complete, you will be able to share the URL to your bio site in your social media bios or elsewhere on the web. Download the Unfold app today to get started on customizing and managing your online social presence like a pro.